Hey guys, Montana with Crockd here. Today I'm showing you how I'm making little house-shaped tea light decor to place around my house for the holidays. First, make sure to subscribe before your hands get too dirty, and then let's get into it. We'll start by pulling off about 1/4 of our clay brick, warming it up by hitting it against the palm of our hand, and then rolling it into a ball. Once you have a nice smooth ball of clay, you're going to work on rolling the ball out into an even slab of clay, about 1/4 of an inch thick. To roll out your clay, you can use a rolling pin, glass jar, whatever works. Then carve out the shape you'd like for the front of your little house. Using leftover clay from carving or another chunk from your brick, repeat the same steps of warming the clay up, rolling it into a ball, and then rolling it into a slab. Carve out an identical shape for the back side of your house. Feel free to line up the piece you've already carved so you can make sure the two pieces are an even match. Roll out another ball of clay, smooth it out into a slab, and carve out 2 matching rectangles for the sides of your house. Repeat all the steps we've covered so far to carve out a bottom piece for your house if you'd like to add one. If you're liking this video so far, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Take one of your house-shaped slabs and carve out whatever door or window shapes you'd like. Once your slabs are all good to go, take your needle tool and score all of the areas of clay that are going to come into contact with each other by drawing little X's or hashtags along these areas. Dab the scored areas with water and start attaching your pieces together to build a house. Blend pieces together with your spoon-shaped tool. Now just smooth and perfect your little house, let it dry, and then you can place a candle inside. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and let us know what you want to see next.